walk in the palace. In the crew, I am Dennis the Menace. In the city, you look all in Paris.
When did you join debate?
Yeah, I was confused at the time because when you are failing a lot, you start getting confused. Okay, debating is not for me because simply I cannot do both. I cannot be in school and also do debate. I need to prioritize one.
I think that's the thing that I'm facing right now. So you guys don't understand.
We don't understand.
Or why is it like sad? Because I'm feeling it. That's why sometimes I don't preach again.
But however, my story is different through perseverance, guys.
Yeah.
So for the fact that I noticed, okay, I fixed my academics, and I think, okay, my report now in so I think I'm ready to go back to debate. That's how it happened. Then I quit. I think it was June 2021 when I was doing grade 8. Then I came back grade 9. I think maybe, around August. I came back with fire.
Yeah.
It was like I was preparing when I quit, but I did something and I'm very proud of that.
We saw. Hey. Okay. So, Autiaka, do you feel like there is a peer pressure that on the pass?
Well, peer pressure. I wouldn't say it's peer pressure in school because I feel like Alafang students have given up
on life or
in school. They just come to school here for food. When it comes to like the bomb, feeders.
Hey, you speak like a good teacher.
I need to give you the truth as hard as it is.
Okay.
But I'm 40 more than number 1 and Jaka 11. So Mutu from 10, Santa 49 in our area. Then that person is basically sacrificing that 1 hour that they could have done something productive. So like that's why I feel like they have given up, because sometimes when you fail a lot, as much as time.
Yeah.
Sometimes when you fail a lot, you feel like, okay, this is not for me. Basically, when I'm done with school, I'm going to get a job. I'm not continuing school because school is not working for me. So then other people find motivation in the fact that they are failing.
Yeah.
They say failure is fertilizer for success. Some people live by that notion, and like they try daily to achieve that motive that they live with.
Sure.
So I wouldn't say there's peer pressure.
Yeah.
People like with school, regarding school, like there's no peer pressure. Everyone like does what they want at their own time. Sure. Because for the fact that there's no longer corporal punishment in school, it means they're doing whatever they want.
So like as one almost get this thing of being a scholar. Everyone watching. So do you think that will affect our body image and self-esteem?
It affects your body image and self-esteem a lot. It can affect your body image in a negative way, but self-esteem, it's always boosted. For the fact that you choose to go to the gym, you want to sexy body for some and stuff. You get that confidence of for example, maybe a mistake happens, someone will tell you see, you're like, then I want to take off my t-shirt. I want to take off my t-shirt, and that person did you a favor because they gave you an excuse to do so.
Yeah.
Because you don't want people to think that you're crazy.
Yeah, you're crazy.
You're basically giving the person an excuse and confidence.
It's boosted.
Because person they're feeling their movement, they're feeling their steps when they're walking.
Yeah.
So bodybuilding is it motivates them and it makes them confident.
Because I was feeling small, but since kitchen now I'm feeling big.
the fact of feeling big. Some people start to feel over big, if I'm making sense.
Over big.
Like currently now, what's the date?
19th of October.
On the 19th of October, outside the gate of Alafang, there's currently a fight right now. Between like bodybuilders and squatters. They're having a fight. It's because of the fact that they're feeling over big. So a person like Hasa Jimini, they'll start to feel like, okay, I'm on top of the world. Which means I can squash every end in my way. That's currently what's happening right now. So it then becomes a problem if like we are not gymming for the fact or to obtain these muscles for show, but in order to infringe upon others' rights. So it becomes a problem because Alafang is well known for fights and banking and Jamaica and like.
But let's not tarnish our school's name.
We are not tarnishing it. I'm just telling the truth, guys.
Because my friend was
I'm just telling the truth, guys. Anyone who Alafang is going to tell you what's currently happening for Alafang. And if those people who Alafang, they are afraid enough to tell the truth, then it means that they don't want their school to change.
Yeah.
They don't want it to change.
So guys, I'm not alone. I have a co-host. My man, this is your man. Ask any question. No, you must not pause. Go on. No, you will be heard. Yeah.
My sister.
My sister.
Do you date? Do you have a girlfriend?
In school, no, I'm not dating in school.
Outside school?
Outside school, yeah. Obvious. But I feel like I won't mention their name.
Yeah,
But you know, like Machita, it's not like I'm not a bad person, guys. But Machita, so like I don't really looking you one. Plus, how to enter tournament or how to enter the tournament. How about smart? How to enter tournament day one because you don't lose.
Yeah.
I'm not joining the tournament. It's a matter. Or at least how fail that guy. Or if this one doesn't work out, you have a backup plan.
Yeah.
If I'm making sense, boys have backup plans. So I'm not saying anything. My girlfriend, I love you. There is no backup.
I think in total to tell you honest, you must never date at school. You must never. Do not mix business with pleasure. You will not focus. I've tried it. Debate.
What is worse is also a debater. And for the fact that he decided to date a former debater, it affects the debate crew internally. Because then they end up not talking to each other. It becomes a problem because it's like they don't want to communicate. You know, when you're doing debate, there's this prep session. So you have to interact. Okay, since because Tuto has broken up with this certain girl at the debate team, and they decided, no, I won't prepare simply because I'm fighting with her. It affects like the debate crew internally.
Yeah.
Same applies to school, but I end up to school.
Sure, that's true.
They're no longer going to school for the sake of learning, but to see that certain someone, so it ends up becoming that.
Like it used to me and the girl, we still not. Even though we broke up, but we still not. We can sit, remove and prepare. Like we don't let shit get into our future.
It's something that's called an act of maturity.
Yeah.
For the fact that you break up with someone and you no longer communicate.
That's childish.
Yeah, that's childish.
And you must not communicate to a girl when you deny it. Oh, honey, that's not it.
Yeah, sometimes when you're a cheater, this is for the cheaters, guys. Act cool at all times. Make sure you remain your cool. Even those who shisa kanja, remain cool. They look blood. Don't overdo stuff.
Okay. So I'll check out it does not only motivate me, I'm learning a lot from when. I'm faces, characteristics. Speak like that they might
Try and not change yourself in the process.
Yeah, I'm not changing myself. Mara, take those good characteristics. Then build.
Yeah, I think that should also apply.
Yeah.
So viewers and audience, take notes from this guy. He's doing a good thing, and I think that you should do it also. So if you are seeing a certain role model or someone that you want to look like in the future, or you want to achieve that same status and image as them. Oh, but I'm only advising you in good things, guys. So if like you're seeing that person, then what you should do, you should like take characteristics from them. If like you are intrigued by the way they behave, this person is like they pay attention in class.
Be free, dog.
They pay attention in class, They pay attention in class. Then that's what you should do. That's what you should act like change if you want to be change. That's what you should.
So any questions, my co-host?
So what if I first time?
What in 5 years time?
How do you see yourself?
In 5 years time. Okay, I think I'll be still studying. Well, I know I'll be still studying. I'm still in school, so my future career it's kind of a big deal for me and for my family. For my family. So for me, by me, like I'm not aiming low. You're
aiming big.
I'm aiming big.
So you wanna turn the impossible possible?
I'm one of those guys that believe in the saying or cutting the weight in half of impossible to I am possible. So that's what you should do.
Let's aim big, guys. Right? Aim alone is not good, especially for your background.
Yeah.
It's not good.
If like you should do some sort of self-evaluation. Check what you have and what you don't have. And guys, don't aim for something that you don't have. Try and prioritize needs before wants.
Yeah, sure.
Because you might have money to decide on like an iPhone, but how not is your house? So guys, like do something with your life and make sure that your life is purposeful. I wanna like that feeling the house shoe. Like but Diamond was great, man. Diamond was greatness. You feel his presence. I wanna that actor when you feel like you're an alpha male. Alpha male provides, guys. Alpha male. So like Namile Batuba feel a presence how and only for good things.
To those who watch the 356 days movie, they should learn a lot from that guy. Because that guy is the alpha male. He stands on his ground.
Which movie?
365 days.
Whoa.
So
that movie, guys, plus we are not advising you to watch
it, man. I'm saying that the guy, the steering. You can actually learn a lot from that man.
So it's a blessing.
In business, in just being a guy, you know. So
speaks to like maybe my idea generally of becoming an alpha male is like you need to have a good boy. So like you need to work out as a boy or as a man. You need to be active. You need to be active, guys. And in everything you do, guys, focus on school. Prioritize school. If you feel like you have a backup plan, still do school because school might help you in the near future. So like with all that I have said, I think I have told you enough. And you are basically tired. I'm like, you boy English and I'm just and it's 14 years. Yes.
Yeah, you came and thank you for coming, Joe. Many people now so they don't take you serious. It takes me time when get to a guest he or she doesn't know what you're actually talking about. So we market only mode. So it's hard, especially most schools. So it's hard.
It's also a blessing to have
guys
like the tribalteenspodcast.
I'd like to thank my teammates They pushed me so hard. My family pushed it. So with all that has been said, I thank you too. We close it again. forget. My man Sikho, thank you for coming. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so that you can be notified when I drop another
And
video.
also, guys, before you leave, guys, we'd like to see your comments, guys.
Yeah,
if you like the video,
comments.
or you have suggestions on what the content that he should be creating.
Yeah.
You can feel free to give suggestions. We are open for change.
We are open.
Just move out of way, my nigga. Niggas know I'm no wave. They gonna surf, sucking down here, they gon' bleed. I'm a villain like dog beat.